Welcome back to the Physician Center for Beauty, and when I say this is a cool place, I mean it. And what a hot day it is. Doesn't a little bit of Coolsculpting sound nice? And we're going to have a little demonstration here. And Dr. Coolsculpting, what is it exactly?
Well, we're really excited about this technology. There's been a number of devices on the market for non-invasive fat reduction. This particular device has worked better than anything I've seen, and I really have seen impressive results with it. It's non-surgical. It's a device that literally freezes fat, and we're going to be demonstrating that in a minute. And the concept here is that the freezing point of fat is at a higher temperature than the freezing point of the rest of the tissues, the skin and surrounding tissues. So we're able to selectively disrupt fat cells by a process called cryolipolysis. And the fat cells are disrupted, destroyed, and the fat is then taken up by the body and excreted by the lymphatic system. This is a one treatment or two treatment process. It doesn't usually require multiple treatments. It's done here in the office. It takes 1 or 2 hours depending on the area, and we treat sort of one area at a time. And here we can see the treatment. There's really not a whole lot to see at this point because the device is sitting in the area or on the area to be treated. It actually has a large suction device that literally draws up the skin and the area of concern into an area between two cooling plates. And those cooling plates then reduce the temperature of the fat to a temperature that actually destroys the fat cells by this process I mentioned called cryolipolysis. The results can be pretty impressive, and this is one example with one treatment of Coolsculpting for the back and the bra fat area. I think pretty significant improvement. If we have another photo here of the abdomen, or actually this is the love handles, and you can see a pretty good result here, again, with one treatment. Sometimes we opt to do a second treatment as well, depending on the area and the significance. Again, the love handle area for a man, and we're looking at the back view, we can see a significant decrease in the love handles there, and that's with 2 treatments for that particular patient. And again, another example of the love handles and sort of lower back area. And in this patient with 2 treatments to achieve that result. So it's a result that's consistent. It's measurable. We do before and after pictures. Obviously, we take measurements and we mark the areas so that we can treat specifically the areas that are of concern. And we're seeing really impressive results. Typically, it can take 1 to 3 months to see the full final result for these areas. It doesn't provide a whole lot of skin tightening. So for patients that need a significant amount of skin tightening, Xless, which is another device that we've demonstrated here and we are using, can not only reduce fat but also can provide some skin tightening. So sometimes we combine those two treatments. But I've just been very excited about this particular technology because it's shown really the best results in terms of non-invasive, non-surgical fat reduction of anything I've ever seen.
All righty, and we want to talk about the seminar real quickly.